Welcome back to the dyno. Today I am going to be mapping a Subaru Forester XT as part of the upgrade path videos. So this is a completely standard car. All that's been changed is catback exhaust system. So it should be running 177-ish standard, so we'll see where we'll get that today. The 2-litre XT features the TO35 turbo, which is slightly smaller than the TD04. This car is completely standard apart from exhaust, which is a catback exhaust to give more of a sound, which is freer flow and which will also produce a little bit more power as well, which is great. So 189, that's our starting point. Air fuel ratio is good all the way through. Power's slightly up over standard. Okay, so the boost is gone up a bit, but because the restrictor pill in the lines to the turbo is quite big, I will change that now and put in a smaller one so we can build up a bit more boost. The brass restrictor pill is in this line here from the turbo.
Okay, yeah.
So if I change that for a slightly smaller one, then it should give us a bit more boost.
Okay, cool.
Right, so we fitted the 3-port boost solenoid. That's going to give us more boost. So there we have it, final result, 221, torque up to 265 pounds-foot of torque, and the power 221 horsepower. So you can see we've got an air fuel ratio about 11.3 all the way through, keeping it nice and safe. Power and the boost after we did the 3-port boost solenoid, now up to 1 bar of boost. Obviously it tails off at the top end there because the turbo is not very big on the 2-litre XT. Just to recap the 4 easy steps: firstly, catback exhaust, keeping it completely road legal, but also increasing the power. Secondly, an uprated fuel pump is always a good idea. The Walbro 255 will be absolutely plenty for this sort of power level. Thirdly, because the wastegate is fairly weak on these, it needs a 3-port boost solenoid. And finally, a remap by me, obviously. Other mappers are available.